the Navage system is the correct way to do nasal cleansing. It's super, super recommended, especially in those days, in the beginning of the allergy season, where you want to keep your system really, really nice and clean, but mostly moist, because this moisture inside the nasal cavity will help you. It helps me with my allergies. I'm gonna explain how it works. So you got the system here. Here you got the water, and I recommend distilled water because in the process of distillation, all the bacteria are killed and all the sediments are rid of the water. So it's the purest kind of water. So distilled water, you put it in there. Then you take one of these pots. I have a whole box here, right? I already put one in there. You take one of these pots and you put it in there facing down like that, and you break it, and you'll see how the water mixes real nice in there with the just the water. So it's the solution mixes with the water in this top area. Right here, you see the flow of the unit. So the operation will be, this is the water coming out into your nostrils, and this is the water coming back from your nostrils back into the unit. It is very important that after each use, you will clean this as I do and air it out so that you rid it of all the bacteria that comes out of your system. Oh, so I'm gonna show you how it works. You wanna put it together, and I wanna remind everyone that this is only for people that are older than 12. So children under 12 or teenagers under 12 cannot use this system. This is strictly for adults, okay? So you put it tight against the nose, and you make sure that there's a nice tight fit. In the side, you have the button that starts the operation. So you're gonna want to breathe through your mouth throughout this operation. So let's go. Keep it level so that the water has a nice and leveled flow. It'll take a while for it to clean everything. At the beginning, it could be a very interesting sensation, but I promise you'll get used to it quickly, as I have. There you go. And there you go. I should have had a towel for it. I'm pretty good about it usually, but since I'm talking, it feels so good to do it. This is just the original version of the salt pot that comes with it. Remember, without a salt pot in there, this unit will not operate. So it's very important that you buy the salt pot originals. And also, they have different flavors with different types. The mentholated one, the one with a nice menthol in it. Oh my God, that's amazing. But you might want to test it out first before, committing to menthol, because it might be too strong for some of you guys. But this one right here, the original one, is perfect, and this product is a life changer, and it's totally recommended.